Hello, hello, hello. Another day, another vlog of property. Attention interested buyer ng along National Road of Sangandaan, Caloocan City. It is for sale by the owner. 189 square meter along Imabini, Sangandaan, Caloocan City. Yung pong nasa kanan is konting lakad lang. Ando na po ang SM Sangandaan, Samson Road. Ito naman po sa kaliwa, going May Paho, going Divisoria. Ayan po yung property. Ang frontage po niyan, naglalaro ng 10 meters. Flood free, pacing is accessible po sa lahat. Ayan po, commercial area na rin po yan kasi halos katabi niyan is mga commercial at the same time katapat commercial area na rin. Kaya commercial na rin pong ika-classify ni BIR yan. 3 minutes away from SM Sangandaan, 12 minutes away from Monumento Circle, 13 minutes away from San Roque Cathedral Church, and 999 Mall, dating Caloocan City Hall, 14 minutes away from LRT Monumento, SM Grand Central, 15 minutes away from May Paho, Caloocan, 38 minutes away from Divisoria, accessible to all business establishment. Ayan na po yung SM Sangandaan na. Tapos going Monumento na po yan. Yan, Samson Road. Yun po sa kaliwa, Paletre na po yan. Kaya what are you waiting for? Direct inbox me.